Welcome to MVP Auto Pro, your home for expert insights into the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of BMW's most versatile machines, the 2025 BMW F 900XR. Designed to blur the lines between sport bike agility and touring comfort, the F 900XR has received refined updates that make it even more appealing for riders seeking performance, comfort, and everyday practicality in one stylish package. Design, sharp looks, touring spirit. The 2025 F 900XR keeps its aggressive, adventure-inspired styling that gives it a commanding presence on the road. The design is sharp, angular, and unmistakably BMW, with a tall stance and sleek LED lighting. The twin headlight setup returns with a slightly updated housing, adding a more modern and technical look. The ergonomics are upright and comfortable, with a tall windscreen, wide handlebars, and ample legroom, all engineered for long-distance rides without sacrificing sporty control. For 2025, BMW introduces new color schemes, including Ice Gray, Racing Red, and the striking Triple Black edition, each giving the XR a unique personality. Engine and performance, twin-powered excitement. Under the fairing lies an 895 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, tuned to deliver a perfect balance between sporty punch and smooth highway cruising. It produces around 105 horsepower and 92 newton meters of torque, offering strong mid-range performance that shines both in city traffic and open roads. The engine is mated to a 6-speed gearbox with an optional quick shifter, allowing for clutchless upshifts and downshifts. Acceleration is smooth and predictable, and the twin-cylinder setup gives a throaty, engaging exhaust note. The F 900XR handles twisty roads with confidence and has enough power to satisfy spirited riders, without being overwhelming for newer enthusiasts. Ride and handling, comfort meets control. One of the main strengths of the F 900XR is its versatility on the road. Thanks to the aluminum bridge frame, balanced weight distribution, and dynamic ESA, electronic suspension adjustment, the bike adapts to different riding scenarios effortlessly. Whether you're carving through mountain curves or cruising on long highways, the suspension provides a plush yet controlled ride. The adjustable seat height, optional lowering kit, and adjustable windscreen make it accessible to a wide range of riders. The upright riding posture, combined with an 825mm seat height and a wide view of the road, makes it perfect for day-long rides. Technology and features. Modern touring tech. As expected from BMW, the 2025 F 900XR comes packed with advanced features. You get a 6.5-inch full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and ride stats. BMW's Riding Modes Pro includes Rain, Road, Dynamic, and Dynamic Pro for customized riding behavior, traction control, and engine response. Additional features include cornering ABS, ABS Pro, dynamic traction control, engine brake control, and adaptive headlight that improves visibility during cornering at night. Heated grips, cruise control, and a USB charging port also add to the touring comfort, practicality, and touring capabilities. The F 900XR is built to go the distance. With a 15.5-liter fuel tank, riders can expect over 250 kilometers per tank, depending on riding style. The bike supports hard panniers and a top case, turning it into a fully equipped touring machine. Thanks to BMW's modular accessory system, you can customize your XR to suit both your commute and your weekend escapes. Maintenance is straightforward, and BMW offers long service intervals and robust reliability backed by its extensive dealership network. Conclusion: the Midweight multi-tool. The 2025 BMW F 900XR continues to be one of the best sport touring motorcycles in the middleweight category. It combines performance, rider comfort, advanced electronics, and bold styling in a way that few others can match. Whether you're a commuter, weekend adventurer, or long-distance tourer, the F 900XR offers the flexibility and capability to handle it all, without compromise. Outro. Stay tuned with MVP Auto Pro. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 BMW F 900XR here at MVP Auto Pro. If you're a fan of bikes that do it all, and do it well, this one's worth a serious look. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates, reviews, and everything motorcycle related. Until next time, ride smart and stay inspired.